So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize the eraser tool inside of SketchUp. So over here you can see that I have eraser tool. Right now I have nothing to erase. But if I were to go around over here and let's say for example, go around and bring in, let's say for example, the rectangle tool right here, this is what I have now. So let's just go ahead and pull this up and extrude this out as well. So now if I were to go ahead and take the eraser, I can go ahead and click and drag the edge to go ahead and erase it. And you can see that the edge is removed and the connecting faces to it has been removed as well. So let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and then click and drag around these three, you can see that that gets erased as well, just like this. So as you go ahead and drag the edge, you can see that that face has been erased. You can see this one as well. I can erase this out as well. Apart from that, I may have, let's say for example, lines right here, just like this. I can go ahead onto eraser and erase out the line as I need as well. So let's just go around over here and let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here and draw out, let's say for example, something like a measurement tool. So here you can see that I got guides right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and add in a guide. I can even go ahead and use the eraser right here to select out the guide right here, and that gets erased out as well. And that is how you can simply go ahead and utilize eraser tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.